Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and today we're on board our 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. This is a super cool color combination for anyone who has seen Star Wars. We love to call these things Stormtrooper. This is a black hulled boat, black canvas, and you see white all over for the accents. White tower, and of course the incredible Mercury V8 300 on the back of this boat is in their gorgeous warm white. Of course, having that motor on the back gets you two really key things. One, you get power assisted steering. It's incredible around the docks with a very, very good backup. It can't fail on you. Secondarily, you get the digital controls out of Mercury. For 15 years, they have led the market in that. They've proven the reliability, and they're just remarkable. Onto the boat. Sweet lounger at the back of this boat, incredibly wide, and Sea Ray thinks some things through for you guys. Stainless cup holders on the edge, a little traction pad over here for storing some cell phones, and of course they'd be remiss without a 12-volt outlet right here. You can charge them, you can put an air compressor there or an air pump to blow up inflatables, stuff like that. Really, really cool. Sea Ray does give you a fusion remote at the back of the boat. That's an option. We've got SeaDeck coming all the way through, and you've got fresh water right there at the transom to keep your SeaDeck really clean. Come on into the boat and I'll show you a little bit more about this particular one. Of course, they've got cup holders hidden everywhere. That's a Sea Ray thing. They're so thoughtful about that. Storage under just about every seat. You've got a table on the back of this boat. It is an option, and hidden what you don't see is a battery charger. If you've had a really, really good day at the sandbar, you're pumping tunes, and the boat just needs to be re-upped when it goes home, whether you're stored here on a bottom rack with power or somewhere else, that battery charger is really key. Coming forward, Sea Ray does something very thoughtful. Whether you're going from party mode to driving mode, both sides of this boat, these flip-flop to give you either a longer lounger or fantastic seating forward. They've got bolsters that fold up, just give you a little bit of extra room. And then of course, this particular one has a couple of nice features in the much nicer head design, which includes a vacuum flush porcelain head. Really, really nice treat in there. At the helm, they've got kind of this sporty retro thing going on with gauges on the dash. We can add a GPS in a bunch of places if you guys want it. Inlaid fusion, all touchscreen, and just amazing. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, really, really cool components from Fusion. They've got trim tabs on this, more cell phone and 12-volt chargers everywhere. And then of course, forward. Guys, ultimate relaxing right here. And this boat at 27 feet, almost 30 feet with the motor, gives you the ride you need if you want to hang out here. Got armrests, more cup holders, and this one is actually optioned with the fully forward table. At my feet, one of the pieces here is the Infinity vinyl flooring. It's got all the benefits of carpet with none of the downsides. Cool on your feet, keeps your feet cushioned, and it comes out, but it doesn't shred like you might have been used to carpet in the past. This is an incredibly well thought out Florida outboard sport boat. Sea Ray's 270 Sun Deck, y'all. I'm Jeremiah. This is in Sarasota, Florida, on some of the best boating you can get. If you want to know a little bit more or how to get your hands on one of the last ones, give us a shout. We'll talk to you soon.